it. There's nothing more in the box, but I've discovered this dent, and I think it's meant to make room for that Siri button on the side of the remote. So let's check it out, and yeah, it fits right into it. So like I said, the side of that Apple TV box has a glossy finish, not a matte finish, which means it will collect a lot of dust particles. So if you want to keep your Apple TV clean, you need to get yourself a microfiber cloth. But let's talk about the inside of this Apple TV box, which has an A15 Bionic chip. And that's responsible for a very smooth user experience. Unlike the CPU that comes right into the smart TV, this is more powerful. And Apple wouldn't be Apple if they didn't make you buy extra stuff to make your Apple TV work. So keep in mind, the Apple TV will not come with an HDMI cable. So if you are planning on buying an Apple TV, make sure to have an HDMI cable at home, or at least just order it right away, because you don't want to have it unboxed and all and just find out that you can't plug it to your TV.